Hi everyone, today's recipe is pork. I'll be showing you all the ingredients we will be needing for this week's recipe. Enjoy! This is our carrots and sweet potato. We will bring this to a boil. I bring this to a boil. So this is the chicken gizzard. It's been boiling for a while. Alright, here I have 8 pounds of pork loin. But I'll shreds. I'm gonna take some of the fat. Okay. You're welcome to leave them on there. This is our and here's the juice from the chicken gizzard. And that's why I want you to save it. Now the meat's almost done. We will be adding the cabbage. Here. Start mixing with our rice. Here's our brown rice. Chicken gizzard. sweet potato. And here's our pumpkin, about 15 ounces. These are apple. This is our greens, super greens. And these are powdered mushrooms. And this is a hemp hearts, about 3 tablespoons. And the hemp seed oil. This has, I would say, about 3 tablespoons in here. And this is the organic sunflower oil. All right, here's the final product, guys. As you can see, I put the calcium on top. Bella gets, the small one is for Bella. She's 30 pounds. She gets half a teaspoon a day. And since I feed them twice a day, so I put a quarter of a teaspoon each of container for Bella. And for Piper, she gets a teaspoon a day, so she gets half a teaspoon per container of hers as well.
Excited,
So-
Piper Bella?
Yum, huh?